Hello guys, welcome back to our channel and another new video on the lead code daily question. So today's question is k radius subarray averages. So you will be given zero index array nums with integers n and the integer k, and we have to calculate the k radius average of the subarray of nums centered at index I with the radius k and is average of all the elements in the nums between the indices I minus k and I plus k inclusive. If there are less than k elements before or after index I, see, if there are less than k elements before or after index I, then the k radius will be the -1. So this will be the question, like if we didn't find any element before the like we didn't found any elements k elements before the index I or after I, so we have to return the -1 for that k radius average of that index. So this is the question. Let's understand this question using this example. So here is the nums array and here are the indexes. So for index 0, we can see that there are no k elements before the nums index 0. For index 1, there are only one element and we have to get three elements here. At index 2, we can see we have two elements before, but we need three. So let's continue to the next index. At index 3, we can see that we have three elements before and three elements after. So we will calculate the sum of the all these subarray elements and the divided by the number of elements and find the average and add it, push it into the result array. After that, we got the k elements before and k elements after. So then we will slide this window, and after sliding, the starting index will be at 1 and ending index will be at 7. So we will calculate this sum here, we will and find the average and add and do it so on. So this will be the question. So let's see the code of this question. So we have to return the integer array vector, and we will be given with the nums vector and the k. So here we have to find the sliding window of size 2k plus 1. So this will give the uh, array with the sub array with the k radius. Here we are taking these variables for the iteration through the loop, like starting and ending index, and we are initializing the nums array with the -1 initially. If the k is equals to 0, means we have the radius is 0, then we have to return the nums because the radius will not be there. So if the nums dot size is less than the 2k, then we can see that there is no sub array such that we can found one radius of this at index. So we will return -1 of those all the element size. After that, we are working on the sliding window approach. So I am taking this temp for storing the sum of the elements and applying the while loop. And in this I'm checking that while j is less than num dot size, like the ending index is less than some dot size, I will be adding it the sum of the element in the sums of j. And if I found any element, if I am a j minus I plus 1 is equal to size, means the sub array size is equals to the radius, like complete size, then we will be doing this, like answer of j of minus k is equals to a temp divided by size. This will be the average of that index, and we are removing this nums of I and from the temp and incrementing the I, and after that we are incrementing the j. This will be the sliding window approach, and we are returning the answer. So let's see this code works or not. Let's submit it. So you can see that the code got submitted. Thank you.